Well, it was kept under wraps until just about an hour ago. Former President Barack Obama visited the Jackson Park site of his future presidential center today as builders marked a new milestone.
CBS 2 political reporter Chris Tye joins us with what Mr. Obama told those making the new museum a reality. Chris.
Joe and Erica, he spoke to the small group of Chicagoans helping build out the structure that will tell the story of his life and help shape his legacy. But in a year charged up over questions of who are you going to vote for, the former president in hard hat and vest steered totally clear of anything resembling politics.
They've marked a milestone here, 60 blocks south of the Loop. At 225 feet high, they call it the Museum Building, the centerpiece of this 19-acre campus. And the man it's named after,
okay, let's do this,
arrived to sign his name alongside the workers who are bringing it to life.
Well, first and foremost, I just want to say thank you so much, everybody.
The Obama Presidential Center, just blocks from Lake Michigan at 62nd Street, had made news as some criticized it taking over green space and potentially pricing some residents from the neighborhood.
I absolutely love that it's coming.
But for evangelist Latisse Porter, who lives just across the street, that noise, she says, came from people not living here.
A lot of us are saying we want it. We glad they coming, but a lot of them are saying they don't. But I live over here. These people that's saying it, they don't even live over here. And I can't wait till it's finished.
Slated to be finished 2 years from now, the project that began years ago as an idea wasn't always a sure thing, a point the former president joked about.
You know, when we started this thing, I wasn't sure it was ever going to get done.
A low-key visit, void of any political posturing, by the pride of the South Side, signing his name.
There you go.
As the project reaches its peak height, a snapshot in time for the men and women making the new Chicago landmark a reality.
Earlier in the day, Obama met with young people to talk about what they'd like to see at the center. Some neighbors we spoke with in the neighborhood say traffic has certainly gotten trickier and a rodent problem began just around the time construction of the center began. They say that is very frustrating, but overall a win for the neighborhood once the dust settles. Live in the newsroom, Chris Tye, CBS 2 News. Erica.
Chris, thank you.